Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a website with Lovable. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Lovable website if you have not already. So what you want to do is go to lovable.dev right here. This is the official URL. And once you open it up, it's going to look like this, but not immediately. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and log into an account in the upper right corner. This is going to go ahead and appear before you can go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one, or just log into one using GitHub or Google. So once you've logged in, this is now going to go and greet you. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started with using Lovable to go ahead and create our website. So how can we do so? As you can see immediately, once you open it up, here we have the option to go ahead and ask Lovable to create something that we want to use. So what you want to do is ask it to go ahead and create me a website for a simple pizza shop. So once you click this, you can go ahead and send the message, and now it's going to receive that message and it's going to go ahead and take your message and start thinking. Once it starts thinking, it's going to give you the result in a couple of minutes or seconds, doesn't matter, and it's going to show you right here, I love you to help create the shop website. And now it's going to ask you a couple of questions. You're going to answer those questions, and once you answer the questions, what's the main purpose of the website and so on, you're going to go ahead and be able to go ahead and give your messages right here. You're going to have a couple of credits you can use. If you need more messages, you can buy more credits to go ahead and get everything you need, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.